What's up guys, it's Ashley here and I'm back with another review. Hope you guys enjoyed my last video with my sister. If you haven't seen it already, please go check it out. So today's video will be an unboxing of the Crayoncase box of crayons palette, and it's going to be just a swatch test. So if you want to see me apply it or do some type of makeup look with it, let me know down below and I will do that for you. So it came in a box like this, and if you see me look out to the side, I'm looking at my monitor over here. So it came in a box like this, and of course I'm going to cover my address up because y'all are nosy. So this is what it looks like on the inside. Cute. And it's a label in there, how much it was. She had like a sale on one of her Instagram lives, and so it's normally $30 on it, but I got $15 off of it, so it only cost me $21.95. So that was awesome. Put that up there. Alright, so here's what it looks like. Comes with the return slip here. The light. Comes with the return slip. So it comes with, that's cute. Cute. And then the back has the information where you fill it out. Focus. There we go. Put that over there. And then it comes in this black paper, and there you see we have lots of crayons nicely packaged in bubble wrap. Get my face out the way so I can focus. So I'm gonna take it out. So here's what it comes like. It's huge. Like, look at this. Look at it compared to my head. It's huge, and it's just kind of like packaged like a crayons. Kind of neat. All right. Get into this puppy. I'm excited because it got here. I bought it on the 13th of February. It shipped on the 14th and it got here on the 16th, so that was super fast. Super fast shipping, so that's awesome. All right, so pull that baby out. And it's packaged even more. That's like great branding. Like nothing's gonna break. Okay. And then here's the outside. And then we're gonna open it. And then of course it comes with a mirror. So I'm going to I'm going to swatch every single one of them on my hand. And put the name on the screen so that way you know which ones it is. Some of them are glitter, some of them are matte. So let's get into the swatch test. Now, I'm no makeup artist, but like I'll try. Like, her makeup looks amazing. So as you can see, all these colors in this palette are super duper pigmented, and like you get like a little full lift mirror, like. And this palette is originally $30, so that's a good palette for the pigment that you have. Here are the colors once again. There are the colors for you to see. You can pause the video and look at all of them if you like. But like I said, if you would actually like to see a review of me putting this on with brushes and everything, things like that for makeup, let me know in the comments down below. I'm super duper excited to finally get this palette on. I'm like super late, but better than never, right? So write all your comments down below. Let me know, have you guys tried it or whatever. Also, all the makeup that is on my face will be down in the description box. Any videos, challenges, or reviews that you would like for me to do, put them down in the comment section below. Also, hello to all my new subscribers, welcome, and thanks so much guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.